Today we'll be unboxing and taking a look at the Wacker Neuson PSTF2 400 2-inch submersible pump. This pump was built for the demands of construction, mining, municipality, and farm applications. And inside is a half HP motor and a 20-inch cord which you can plug straight into your wall outlet. It can handle solids up to 0.27 inches for fast dewatering. It also features an automatic float shutoff arm. This is everything that comes included in the box. Thank you so much for watching. You can find this pump along with other OEM parts over on our website, GCIRON.com.